The $0 level for Vtho USD is basically areas of strength for really important Vethor tokens, and a map shows a very downward trend, which goes against what most people think. Vtho really fall $1.97 in 7 days, despite what most people think. Vethor token keeps going down in a really big way today. On May 8, 2023, we'll show you everything you need to know about Vethor in this film. Token cost exam now, or really a week from now, and try to answer these questions directly. Most of the time, I'd ask for clarification on something. What really counts is Vtho, a generally good interest in a quiet way. Vethor told us about help and opposition levels and other things in a subtle way, but before we got too deep into the Vtho technical test, he really did lead us in a real way. Talk about the current economic position in a meaningful way. Market analysis shows that in the last 24 hours, there has been a loss of 1.84%, bringing the total digital money market to $1,136,853,977,543, and the total trading volume remains at $47,516,156,315 in a kind of significant way. Bitcoin has 46.94% of the entry market, while Ethereum has a 16.33% lead, or so they thought. This led to Bitcoin's price dropping to $27,561.87 after a drop of 4.43%. Showing that the $0 level for the USD is a strong point for other digital currencies like Ethereum. Coco's BCX fell to 60 cents after a 0.77% drop, which led to Bitcoin's price falling to $27.561.87 after a 4.43% drop. These events show that the market as a whole is going in a very downward direction at the moment, which shows that Bitcoin is not a good investment. Vethor sort of representative assistance and resistance sponsorship and hindrance particularly are huge specific pointers used to perceive in each reasonable sense key expense levels where the example can head in an alternate way definitely further appearance how yet preceding diving incredibly significant into the Vtho specific assessment genuinely let us basically examine the continuous monetary circumstances. Or so they truly thought help overall is a level at which buyers, by and large, become considerably more sort of powerful and unquestionably keep the coin as cost from falling. Any genuinely further unbelievably likewise impediment fundamentally is a level at which vendors generally become positively unique and unquestionably forestall the coin's cost from moving higher, which generally shows that XRP, the truly neighborhood coin of XRP, basically is someplace close to 6.93. And at the present time trading at 42 pennies in an unpretentious way. Following particularly are the assistance and not position levels of Vethor. Pretty token Vethor in each pragmatic sense. Token execution. The price of Vethor truly token sort of is at $0, down 1.9% in the basically beyond 24 hours and has, on average, a 1.97 change in value over the course of a week, which is a very big change. 1 day's trading volume for BTC is about $967,448, but the total market cap is $59,727,641, which is a huge amount. Vethor is sure to investigate the token's value. Vtho cost exam for the 8th of May, 2023 in a daily time frame mostly made sense below. So support is a level at which buy officers become more active and keep the coin's price from falling any further. We use the relative strength index, moving average, and difference between support and resistance levels in different time frames, including strafe. It's pretty common to talk about the future of the Vethor token, showing how XRP, the local currency, is around 6.93 and is currently trading at 42 cents. In a large sense, the main support level for the Vethor token is $0. The second one is usually at $0, which shows that Coco's BCX also fell to 60 cents after a 0.77% drop in value. This led to Bitcoin's best price falling to $27.561.87 after a 4.43% drop, which shows that the $0 level for Vtho USD is actually a strong point for a very long time. When it comes to resistance, Vtho has R1 and R2 at $0 and $0, respectively. REIT will almost certainly show up again. How clearly do Vethor's levels of help and troubleshooting follow? Vethor was really just a symbol. The price of a Vethor sort of token is $0, which is 1.9% less than it was 24 hours ago. Its value has changed by 1.97% over the past week, which is very important. After a closer look at how we use the relative strength index, moving really normal combination and difference backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including really simple moving really normal and remarkable, the MACD line is still below the especially signal line. Moving very normal to really look at the future of the Vethor token, showing how XRP, the local currency, is usually around 6.93 and is currently trading at 42 cents. And in a kind of important way, Vethor is pretty symbolic. Financial backers need to wait for a change in direction on the daily graph, which shows that while the Williams %R pointer is at 50 for the past 14 days, a nonpartisan state change is possible at this rate. Tuesday, the price of Bitcoin stayed below a key price floor as investors got ready for retail sales data from the U.S. As inflation starts to slow down, sales in the U.S. are expected to go up after going down for 2 months. Ethereum's price is still more than $1,800. Bitcoin, BTC, prices stayed the same during today's session as markets got ready for the latest U.S. retail sales numbers. As inflation goes down, sales are expected to go up by 0.8% in April, after going down for 2 months in a row. Tuesday, BTC/USD went from a high of $27,646.35 to a low of $26,878.95 during the same day. The price of Bitcoin has since gone back up, and it is now worth $27,097.23. The main reason for today's drop seems to be that the relative strength index, RSI, failed to break out at 42.00. The index is currently moving around 41.06, with a floor of 38.00 as a possible goal if momentum keeps going down. Even though ETH had a small drop below $1,800, it was mostly stable on Tuesday. ETH/USD hit a high of $1,845.70 earlier in the day, after